This is one of the most important kinds of matrices. It is called the identity matrix. But why is it so important? Let us first discover what the multiplicative identity is in mathematics. If you multiply any number with the multiplicative identity, the answer will be the original number. Let's use an example to demonstrate this. If you multiply 5 by 1, what answer do you find? Of course, 5, the original number. And what do you find if you multiply 1 by 5? Again, this is also 5. Therefore, the multiplicative identity is 1. So, the original number multiplied by the multiplicative identity equals the original number. And the multiplicative identity multiplied by the original number also equals the original number. Now we can return to the identity matrix. The identity matrix has 1s on the main diagonal and 0s anywhere else. The identity matrix is always a square matrix. It can be of order 2 times 2, but also of order 3 times 3, and so on. The identity matrix follows the same multiplication logic as the multiplicative identity. If you multiply matrix A with the identity matrix, you end up with a matrix A. I can show you this in an example. You can see matrix A and the identity matrix on your screen now. Let's calculate this multiplication. Of course, we have to use the rules for matrix multiplication we have seen in one of my previous videos. Matrix A is of order 2 times 2 and the identity matrix is also of order 2 times 2. Because the number of columns in matrix A equals the number of rows of the identity matrix, we are able to multiply the two matrices. The new matrix is then of order 2 times 2. To calculate the new matrix AI, we multiply the rows of matrix A by the columns of matrix I. So 4 times 1 plus 1 times 0 is 4. 4 times 0 plus 1 times 1 equals 1. 2 times 1 plus 0 times 0 equals 2. And 2 times 0 plus 0 times 1 equals 0. We find that the answer AI equals matrix A. But do we get the same answer when we multiply the identity matrix by matrix A? I give you some time to think of an answer, but you can also pause the video. Awesome! You found the same answer as in the previous example. I times A is the same as A times I. That brings us to the end of the video. Let me know what you think of the video in the comments. Constructive criticism is also appreciated. If you learned something, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. That would allow me to continue making videos on YouTube for free. See you in my next video.